Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can change your phone name on iPhone. Right now, sometimes if you are new to iOS devices, a lot of things get you confused, and especially changing your name. Maybe you want your hotspot name to be changed to your nickname or whatever name you want to put there, but you don't actually know how to change that name. I will be showing you step by step how you can do that. All you have to do is go to your settings. So this is my settings here. I'll tap on settings, then I'll go to general. I hope you can see general here. Then I'll click on about. I'll now click on about. Then this is name. Actually, you can see that name. So I'll now click on the name, and this is where I can actually edit my iPhone name. I can decide to change it to anything else here, whatever I wish to change it to. Once I'm done changing, I can just click on done, right? And the name will appear whenever you hotspot someone or whenever you are tracking anything. So this name here will actually show, right? So if this was helpful to you, do well to subscribe, share, and like. See you on the next one.